Fan. Sweetie. Sweetie was the swan. Sweetie was the swan.
आपको आपको दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पर कि फैन नहीं है, मुझे बीच में सुनाई दिया था। फैन की आवाज नहीं आएगी, स्वान है ये, SW का आवाज आएगा, स्वान। ओके, नेक्स्ट, she loved to go swimming. She loved to go swimming. Unmute, speak, and then go back to mute again. Repeat. बोलो अनम्यूट करके। Am I not audible?
She loved to go swimming. 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 She loved to swimming. She loved to swimming. She loved to go 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 the swing. She loved to go the swing. Swimming.
Sweetie, she
She loved to go swimming. She loved to go swimming. She loved to go swimming.
बस एक मिनट सुनो, एवरीबॉडी लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली। बहुत सारे लोग उसको रीड कर रहे हैं, सी नहीं होता है, इट इज नॉट सी।
She loved to go swimming. 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 She loved swim. She loved to go swimming. She loved to go. She loved to go swimming. She loved to go to swimming. She loved to go swimming. She loved to go swimming.
Okay, thank you so much. She loved to swim in swamps. She loved to swim in swamps. Swamps. I'm unmuting everyone. Repeat.
She loved and She loved to swim in swamp. She loved to swim in swamp. She loved to swim in a swamp.
She loved
loved
to
to
swim
swim.
and She loved to swim and swim.
She loved to
She
swim
loved to
in a
swim
swamp.
and swim. She loved to
She
swim and swim. She loved to swim and
swam.
swim. She
loved
loved
to
to
swim
swim.
and
She
swam.
loved to swim.
She loved to
and
swim.
swim and swim. She
She
loved
loved to swim and swam.
She loved to
She
swim
loved
and
She loved to
in swim.
swam.
She loved to swim Sam. She loved to swim in Sam. She loved to swim in Sam.
She loved to swim in swam. She loved to swim and
She loved to swim
swim
in sand.
sand.
She loved to swim in sand.
Swing loved to swim in sand.
Swim in
She loved
to swim in
swing.
दीदी ने अब तक बोला भी नहीं है तो swim in sand. She loved to swim. She loved and She loved swim and
She loved to swing in
swim and swim.
She loved to swim in sand. She loved to
swim in sand. To swim in swim.
ओके गाइस, दीदी ने कहा था कि वो रीड करेगी और हम एक बार ही रिपीट करेंगे, ठीक है? बार बार वही वही नहीं रीड करते जाएंगे. ओके, आई थिंक दीदी ड्रॉप्ड ऑफ. नेक्स्ट लाइन आई विल रीड एंड आप सब एक बारी ही बस पढ़ोगे, बार बार ही नहीं रिपीट करना है, ठीक है? एक बार ही रीड करना, जो भी जैसे मैंने पढ़ा वैसे. ओके, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. शी लव्ड टू स्वॉलो फिश. शी लव्ड to swallow fish. Swallow. ठीक है? Now you will unmute yourself and repeat once. एक बारी read करोगे सही से. Okay? Okay, you can unmute and read.
She loved fish. She loved to fish. She loved to solve fish.
Swallow. Swallow. Okay, great. Very good. एक बारी repeat करेंगे. And again. ठीक है? Swallow करना मतलब गुटकना. गुटकना मतलब खा लेना ऐसे ही, बिना चबाए. Swallow कर लेना, ऐसे ही खा लेना. Fish is the meaning of the word swallow. Okay? Next line I am reading, then I will unmute and then you can repeat. ठीक है? Swift was a swallowtail butterfly. Swift was a swallowtail butterfly. ठीक है? अभी repeat करो. I am unmuting.
Swift was a swallowtail butterfly. She loved to swallow.
She was a swallow-type butterfly.
Okay, it is butterfly. Swift was a swallowtail butterfly. Next line I am reading. Listen to it very carefully and then repeat. He flew swiftly. He
flew swiftly.
मतलब
Yes.
He flew swiftly. He flew swiftly.
He flew swiftly. Swiftly.
Flew
He fly.
He flew swiftly. He flew.
Okay. Okay, great. Thank you guys. You read it. Okay, I'm muting you all again. I think Hanmi Didi is back. Okay. ठीक है, I'll only read. Next line, listen carefully. He swept across the field. He swept across the field. Okay, now unmute yourself and read.
He swept across the field. चालू है ना मीटिंग चालू है ना
around the field.
बाकी लोग, बाकी सबने रीड कर लिया?
Across the field.
Okay. ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay, ठीक है. Now last line I will read. Listen carefully and then repeat. ठीक है? He drank sweet flower nectar. He drank sweet flower nectar. ठीक है? Now unmute yourself and read.
He drank sweet flower. He drank sweet flower. Sweet flower. He dark sweet flower.
Nectar.
She dance slow flower.
Yes, he drank sweet flower nectar.
He drank sweet flower nectar. He drank sweet flower nectar. He drank sweet flower nectar. He drank sweet flower nectar.
Great. Okay, good. Very good, you guys. Okay, I muted everybody. Very good. You have repeated really nicely. I will read the entire story again. Listen very carefully. अब आप क्या करोगे? Next time homework में you will record the full story. जैसे अभी मैं read कर रही हूँ, you will record the full story and send it to us. और एक ही audio you will send. Multiple audios नहीं भेजेंगे. पूरी story एक ही audio में record करके WhatsApp पे भेजेंगे हम. ठीक है? Everybody has to do it. I will repeat the entire story once again. Listen carefully. Swans and the swallowtails. Okay? Sweetie was a swan. She loved to go swimming. She loved to swim in swamps. She loved to swallow fish. Okay? This was about a swan whose name is Sweetie. Okay? Next 4 lines. Swift was a swallowtail butterfly. He flew swiftly. He swept across the field. He drank sweet flower nectar. Okay, so एक swan है और एक butterfly है, दोनों के बारे में there are 4 lines. Now in the homework you will read this very carefully. पहले एक बारी खुद practice करना, फिर record करके you will send on WhatsApp. ठीक है? So this finishes our class today. We successfully completed SW word phonics. हमने read करना सीखा, हम SW words स्वा को कैसे read करते हैं, स्वा वाले words को कैसे read करते हैं, और हमने अपने story का second chapter finish कर लिया है. And we all participated in the quiz very nicely. So very good. We'll all clap for ourselves क्योंकि हमने आज इतना सारा पढ़ा और इतने अच्छे से पढ़ा. We'll all clap and then we'll all meet on Monday in our next class. Let me clap for you guys. Great. I see Lakshman raising his hand. Yes, Lakshman. Bolo.
Didi,
Hmm. Bolo.
scores.
Okay, you want to know the scores? Okay, Lakshman, actually हरमीत दीदी का नेटवर्क आज इतना अच्छा नहीं था, तो she was dropping off. तो हम scores ना आपके chat box और recording देख के we'll give you the scores and we will share. ठीक है? Okay. Okay, Lakshman, ठीक है ना?
Okay, Didi.
Great. Okay. Zeenat, you have a question? पूछो.
No, Didi.
Okay, no problem. ठीक है. Okay, I see Nitish raising his hand. Yes, Nitish. बोलो. नहीं? Okay, no problem. Thank you so much guys for joining. आज हमने 5 minutes पहले ही complete कर ली class और सब कुछ finish कर लिया. Great. See you all on Monday for the class and bye bye.